Alright, so I'm going to read through all the parts that I have on the bike. I have it written on my phone because there's quite a few. So we'll start from the back. We got the PC exhaust. We have the BBR tall seat with the Thrill Seekers cover. Aftermarket brake arm. We got the aftermarket rear brake lever. We got the pegs. We have the clutch conversion kit because this is not a 110L. This is actually just a KLX110, so it has a conversion kit on it. We have the ASV front brake lever. We got the aftermarket throttle tube. We got the Pro Taper bars, Pro Taper triple clamps. We got the BBR stiff springs on the front suspension. We have the Uni air filter. We have the T-bolt shift lever in the back here. You can't really see it, but it's the rear suspension. It's a D&M 250. We have the Renthal chain, the 35 teeth rear sprocket, the BBR chain guide, and we have the peg cradle over there. Alright, let's take it to the track. See how it really